Hi, Joe Glavin with City Floor Supply. Today we're going to be talking about Norton's new Clipper Series wood cutting blades and the reciprocating saw blades. So Norton's come out with a new wood cutting series of blades, and in this particular series it's the 9-inch reciprocating saw blade. That's easy to read down here as far as the style that you needed to choose in the 5-tooth, and then the length of the blade listed right up here. So this is available in a 6-inch and a 9-inch, and from 5 tooth per inch up to 14 teeth per inch. Depending on what you're cutting. So this will cut wood, this will cut composites. Obviously they're going to have a bimetal blade, which will be more teeth per inch, and then they'll have a demolition blade, which would be a really coarse cutting, lower teeth per inch blade. But you know, with any Norton product that we're familiar with in the wood flooring industry, you're just going to get reliability, smooth cutting, quick cutting, and long-lasting blade from Norton. More information with regard to the Norton Clipper Series and the reciprocating saw blades, you can give us a call at 800-737-1786 or go to cityfloorsupply.com.